Hello everyone, it's Sophia here from IntroNexus. Today I will show you how you can install free SSL certificate on your website in easy steps. I have a website. That website does not have SSL certificate installed and you can see warning on browser. Let's install SSL certificate on this website. You have to log in to your IntroNexus account from here. To log in here, enter your account, email address and password, then click on Login. Now go to Services. Then click on Active. Now go down and click on Login to see panel. Now scroll down and click on SSL TLS status option. Now here select your domain on which you have to install SSL. After that click on Run Auto SSL and wait till SSL is installed. Here SSL has been successfully installed. Now we check our website whether SSL is active or not. Yes, SSL has been activated on our website. And here the website is showing secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. IntroNexus, speed that you deserve.